As you can see here at Blades of Green, we're getting our grass in gear for aeration seed season. This is one of the most crucial steps in your lawn care program. What we utilize here is some special equipment to pull out chunks of soil called cores out of your lawn. What this allows to happen is not only does it break down the thatch layer that builds up throughout the year of mowings, use, walking, heavy snowfall throughout the year, this allows nutrients, oxygen, and water to get down to deep into the soil system to help develop and build a stronger root system. Let me explain some of the things that make us different here at Blades of Green. First, we use a blue tag certified seed. What makes this seed special is it's 100% weed free with a 90% germination rate, which is outstanding for the industry. We also apply a starter fertilizer at time of our seeding, and what this does, this is food that's specially designed for strong root growth for new turf. All of our technicians will hand rake all of your edges. What that does is it helps break up that thatch layer that the aeration seeds can't get to, and it helps a nice seed to soil contact, which is vital in the process. We use a walk behind aerator to trim out all the edges, to trim around all the trees, all the bushes, all the fence lines, so we can make sure that we get that nice deep pool of plugs. Now, if you have bare areas, what a lot of people don't know is that we have a way to fix that as well. What we can do is we can utilize our slice seeder, our power seeder, and what this does is this implants the seed mechanically directly into the ground. You know, some companies may offer this, but what we do is we do a dual pass. So instead of like lime paper, it does graph paper, so it gives the turf a nice section to grow up through. Now, for your larger properties, we utilize a ride-on aerator. This allows us to do a good job, but a little bit more efficiently, and we can get the double passes throughout your property. And one of the new things we added this year is the addition of a power edger. And what this machine does is it goes along the edges. It's a gasoline-powered machine with fork-like rakes in it, and it goes through and it tears up all the thatch layer that it built up along hardscapes, sidings, against driveway edges. And what this does is it allows us to get a better seed-to-soil contact than even hand raking alone would provide. Now that I've talked about everything that we do during aeration and seed time, it's time to talk about what you as a consumer would have to do for a successful germination. There's a couple things that you would need to do. All irrigation heads would have to be marked so we don't accidentally hit or damage any of them. All underground dog fences or invisible fences would have to be marked so we can avoid those areas. And one of the most crucial steps to this is to make sure that you water the seed properly. All of our technicians will provide you detailed watering instructions of exactly what you need to do to get this accomplished. This is a recap. What we do here is we utilize a blue tag certified seed. We apply a starter fertilizer. We hand rake and power rake all your edges. We utilize a walk behind aerator to trim out all your property's fence lines around trees. We have access to and can use a power seeder, slit seeder for those extreme bare areas to mechanically implant the seed directly into the soil. We also have ride-on aerator for the larger properties. All of our technicians will leave you detailed watering instructions to care for the new seed. We'll also leave you a small bag of seed at your doorstep for any bare areas, small bare areas that may not fill in with our aeration and seed. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us here at the office at 410-867-8873.